Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Cross Creek Charter Academy here in Byron Center, Michigan, home of the Cougars. This is my first visit to their school. Such an amazing morning and early afternoon. All over the school they have different mottos and sayings and phrases that they really try to live by. But I love what they have as part of their creed too, is making this world a better place, right? And they have this pledge basically, a lot of the students that put their handprints on there, saying, hey, we are going to choose kindness and peace and commit to treating everybody with respect, being safe, being responsible, being nice. And that's kind of the core of what the message was about today, right? That we also talked about bullying, but also looking at someone's heart first. And we know that our heart's as big as our fist. And if we can let love, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat ourselves and others, right? We can either uplift or we can tear down. And we always have this possibility to hopefully maybe change a life, change a heart forever, even save a life. And it just takes 2 seconds, right, to really change someone's life. And what they live by here too, what they preach, like I said, being safe, respectful, responsible, and nice. And it's so important that we do this. I talk about a big reason why bullying happens, that hurt people, but healed people, heal people. And if we start to really become these healed people, and have that happen in our heart, well, all of a sudden now we can go and, show that kindness to someone else that was originally shown to us and rise above that hate. And it's not easy, right? But through the motivational videos today, the heartfelt stories, the inspirational music, the picture slides, the props that kind of reinforce the entirety of the message, we're really trying to say, hey, we want to be a best friend. We want to be that champion for someone else with a small voice or no voice. And look, bullying is something that's repeated over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, again, those one-time words, can either, again, elevate someone or tear them down. And we definitely want to build someone up, right? And so it's just so encouraging for me to see the pin drop moments from the assembly, the students that came up after said I touched their heart, and I said, well, that means you have a big heart, and now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others. To keep looking at someone's heart first, but also remembering that all of us are true miracles too. I bring this up in every assembly, but all of us with lines in our hand have the letter M. You have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects, but that M stands for miracle, right? Like the front of my shirt, upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it. We have to believe that and buy into it, because a lot of students I speak to, sometimes they've never been told that, or they've forgotten that. So we can be that reminder, right? Be that light to their heart. And what's so cool with these handprints, you can almost see some of the M's through the paint, right? And that definitely is a reminder, another reinforcement for what I tried to hammer home today. Again, though, thanks for touching my heart. It's a beautiful day. I can't wait to be back in the future. But until then, finish this year strong. Have a great summer break. Hope to see you in the fall. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.